Hey everybody, today we'll be learning how to descale the Jura Z10. The things you'll need for the descaling process are a 3-pack of Jura Descaler or the 36-pack and precisely 600 milliliters of water. Now, one pro tip, I like to use a receptacle, cup, or container to put underneath the central spouts. It's just a lot easier for it to catch in that receptacle as opposed to the tray. One last warning, always remove the filter before doing this process. If you put the descaling agent in the water tank and it runs through the filter, it'll essentially render it useless and it'll make all your coffee taste a little bit funny afterwards. So make sure to remove the filter before doing it and always use precisely 600 milliliters of water. And the reason for that is the amount of water you put in the tank with the agent is how long it'll descale and how much it'll use. So always use 600. Step 1, remove the filter if you have one in place. Step 2, go into the main menu where you'll see that big bold descaling icon and select it. At this point, no matter what, the machine will ask you to empty the tray. Even if it is empty and you've already done so, pull it out, wait about 30 seconds and put it back in. Once you do this, the machine will ask you for the agent descaler in the water tank. Now don't forget, precisely 600 milliliters of water. Put your 3 square tablets in the water, wait for them to dissolve fully and put that in the tank. At this point, you're going to get your receptacle, put it in the middle of the spouts to catch water and start the process. Now it's a waiting game. You're going to wait for the machine to run through that 600 milliliters of water and agent. It's going to pour it all into that container. Eventually it will ask you to empty the tray. At this point, you're going to empty the tray. It will then tell you to fill the water tank. At this stage, always rinse the water tank, make sure it's nice and clean, put it back with a fresh tank where the machine will then pour clean water through itself just to make sure there's nothing left inside. Once that's done, you're going to empty the tray one more time and you're going to be done your descaling process. Thanks for watching how to descale your Jura Z10. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @Fiamma_Canada and check out our website for all your maintenance needs, www.fiamma.ca.